Hello everyone, how are you? In this video, we'll learn together and explore how to draw a straight line using X and Y interception.
Okay, so now we'll learn how or to draw a straight line. However, this time with X and Y intercept. So X, Y, intercept. So first of all, what do we have? We should have same equation. So we have 2y, 3x, similar to what we had in last video. Now, first of all, what's X and Y intercept? So let's start with X. So first of all, here you know that we have two axes, right? You have X and Y. Let's say here we have a line, random line. So whatever that line meet the X, we call that point X-intercept. What about if we had it like this? Now it's not crossing the X anymore, it's crossing the Y, so we call it Y-intercept. But what about if it's crossing both of them? Something like this here and there. So now it has Y-intercept and at the same time has X-intercept. So now the process is very simple. I just divide the paper or whatever I have into two spaces. I want to find the value of X-intercept. So now I'm trying to figure out X-intercept here and Y-intercept. Now, what do I mean by figuring out X? That means I'm going to do here a workout. Finally, I'm going to have X equals. Here I'm going to do workout and finally Y equals. Now, take it as a note, just try to memorize it. Whenever we're trying to figure out X-intercept, we set Y to 0. We just do this all the time. You know what? I try to find the value of X, always set Y to 0. I will say Y later if we had some time. Now, Y, if I want to find the Y value, Y-intercept, I set X to 0. Simply like that. So now, what does that mean? I just take the values that I just had here. So the equation, sorry, I got. Now I just take it. The only thing I set Y equals to 0. So that means I will do 2. I will do this 0 plus 3x equals 8. Now 2 times 0 is 0. Now that will be 3x equals 8. Now I just have to take the 3 to the other side. That means it will be x 8 divided by 3 multiplied. I take it divide. Now x equals 2.66 if you did the long division. Now why it's important, because I want to know where is it on the number line. I will show you later. Now I will do x equals 0, so that means I will take the same equation, but I set x equals to 0. That means 2y plus 3 times 0, 8. That will cancel. 2y equals 8. I take 2 to the other side. That means y equals 4. And I am done. Now, as we talked about in the last video, for us to figure out any points, we need coordinate. That means we want to find x and y. So now we already have our x, which is 2.66. Now, it's a mistake if you want to say it's 4. No, it's not. That's another point. So now, 2.66. And where is its y? Here's the y, equals 0. So that means I'll just say, okay, so I'll say just equals 0. And then here, I'll just do the same thing. X equals 0 here at the top. And y equals 4, as you can see here. Now, what do I do? The last step, I have to plot these points, 2.660 and 0.4. So I'll start with 0.4. It doesn't matter which one you start with, by the way. So now I will go here, 0.4. Okay, we have our lines here yet. Come on. Okay, so now 0.4. 0.4, that means 0 here. I'm not going to the right or to the left because that's x-axis. And 4 up, that means I will go here. Now, what about the other one? The other one is 0, 2.6, right? Now, I wrote it here, 2.66 and 0. That means 2.66. I'm going to the right because it's a positive value. And I'm not going up or down because it is 0. So that means I will go 2.6. It doesn't matter. It has to be something between 2 and 3. So it will be here. And I'm not going up or down. Lastly, I have to take a ruler and just draw a line like this. We're done. Exactly 4 minutes, 53 seconds. Well, I hope that was helpful.